Year after year, the Toyota RAV4 is one of the best-selling SUVs on the market. Toyota's reputation for reliability certainly has a lot to do with its success. But we also praise this small SUV for its roomy interior, comfortable ride and easy-to-use technology features. There are also a wide array of available trim levels to suit your budget or interests. The RAV4 TRD off-road trim, for example, is one of the few models in its class to offer enhanced off-road capabilities by way of its all-terrain tires and special suspension alterations. There's a good chance that the 2023 Toyota RAV4 will undergo some changes. This generation RAV4 debuted back for 2019, and 2023 seems like a likely year for some updates. At this time, we don't have any official information from Toyota, but we wouldn't be surprised if Toyota makes some mild styling updates, adds a few new features, and revises standard and optional feature availability. We'll update our review once we know more. How comfortable is the RAV4? The RAV4's suspension is tuned to strike a good balance between control and softness. The body doesn't bound or float when you drive over bumps, and small to moderate impacts are absorbed without much drama. As for the front seats, they are nicely sculpted and padded appropriately, but the seat bottoms begin to feel flat on longer drives. The passenger side's lack of adjustment can also make it difficult to find a comfortable position. We expect the 2023 model will have a similar lineup, and we'll update this section once we have complete information. The RAV4 is available in 6 trim levels: LE, XLE, XLE Premium, Adventure, TRD Off-Road and Limited. All come with a 203 horsepower 4-cylinder engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard on most of the trim levels, with all-wheel drive offered as an option. The Adventure and the TRD Off-Road come standard with an upgraded all-wheel drive system that can enhance traction on loose and slippery surfaces.